I love the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan has such a cool modern look to it. It is a beautiful brown, but it is in style. It's just a nice rich tone. It does come with the remote, which I love. Here is low. Here's medium. Here's high if you're like me and you're super hot all the time. I love a 3-blade. To me, a 3-blade gives you more air. I live in Texas, it's super hot. This is a really, really big room. This is a dining living combo. So it definitely gives us enough circulation for both areas, which we need. And then turn the light on and off. Great solid fan.